Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the third question in exercise 11.2. Find the derivative of following with respect to x. We will take one at a time. So the first expression is x power minus 3 into 5 plus 3x. So before we do the differentiation, first let's multiply these terms term-wise. So x to the power minus 3 into 5 is 5x to the power minus 3 plus 3x into x to the power minus 3 is 3x power minus 2 because this will be x power 1. So that you multiply it with x power minus 3, you get x power minus 2. Now we need to differentiate this particular function with respect to x. So 5x to the power minus 3 can be differentiated as 5 into x power minus 3 is minus 3 into x power minus 4 because x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1 for differentiation. Similarly, plus 3 into minus 2 into x power minus 3. Simply substitute the value of n is equal to minus 2, you will get this particular expression. Now let's do the term-wise multiplication. So this is minus 15 x power minus 4 minus 6 x power minus 3. This is the answer, or you can write it in fractional style. Minus 15 divided by x power 4 minus 6 divided by x cube. Whichever format you write, that is still fine. Now let's take up the second expression. Here the next one is x power 5 into 3 minus 6 x power minus 9. So again, before differentiation, let's do the term-wise multiplication. So this is equal to 3x power 5 minus 6 into x power minus 4 because x power 5 into x power minus 9 is x power minus 4. Now we need to differentiate this particular function. We have only rearranged the input. So this is nothing but 3 into 5 into x power 4 minus 6 into minus 4 into x power minus 5. I'm applying n's value correspondingly. In the first case, it was 5. In the second case, it was minus 4. So now let's multiply. 3 into 5 is 15 x power 4 plus 24 x power minus 5. You can also rearrange this as 15 x power 4 plus 24 divided by x power 5. Whichever format you write, the answer is still fine. In the next video, we will see how to solve the fourth question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.